In the quiet solitude of an old Victorian mansion, there sits an eerie presence that haunts the hallways. It is the ghostly typewriter, an object with a mysterious past and a story waiting to be unfolded. The origins of the ghostly typewriter trace back to the early 1900s when it was first brought into the mansion by its previous owner, an eccentric writer named Samuel Montgomery. Rumors circulated that Montgomery's obsession with his work grew so intense that his spirit became trapped within the typewriter itself. As the years passed, the typewriter gained a reputation among the mansion's residents and visitors. Some claimed to have heard the sound of the keys typing in the dead of night, while others swore they saw the typewriter moving on its own accord. Paranormal investigators were drawn to the mysterious typewriter, hoping to capture evidence of its supernatural abilities. Several brave souls set up cameras and recording devices in hopes of capturing the ghostly entity in action. The footage captured various unexplained phenomena, from the typewriter's keys moving without physical contact to the sound of faint typing echoing through the empty rooms. Skeptics dismissed the evidence as trickery, but believers remained undeterred. One renowned paranormal investigator, Dr. Emily Collins, took a particular interest in the ghostly typewriter. She dedicated years of her life to studying its mysterious powers and unraveling the truth behind its haunting presence. According to Dr. Collins, the typewriter seemed to possess a consciousness of its own. It communicated through the written word, often leaving messages on the paper without any visible human interaction. These messages varied from cryptic riddles to heartfelt confessions. Dr. Collins hypothesized that the spirit trapped within the typewriter was attempting to convey a message, seeking redemption for past wrongs, or simply longing for release. She immersed herself in its history, researching the lives of previous owners and their potential connections to the paranormal. Over time, Dr. Collins uncovered a pattern in the typewriter's messages. They frequently referenced a tragic event that took place within the mansion, suggesting a link between the haunting and a long-forgotten tragedy. Delving deeper into the mansion's past, Dr. Collins discovered a story of forbidden love, betrayal, and a mysterious death that had been hidden for generations. The typewriter, it seemed, was the conduit for the spirits of those involved to finally share their stories. As Dr. Collins pieced together the fragments of the past, the ghostly typewriter became more active, producing longer and more elaborate messages. The spirit seemed desperate to have its voice heard and its story acknowledged. Each message shed light on the tragic events that unfolded in the mansion's history. Secrets were revealed, hidden motives exposed, and long-held grudges finally laid to rest. It became apparent that the spirit within the typewriter was not malevolent, but rather seeking resolution. The more Dr. Collins listened and communicated with the ghostly typewriter, the stronger her connection to the spirits became. She felt their presence guiding her, leading her to uncover the truth and bring closure to their restless souls. The research and investigations surrounding the ghostly typewriter continue to this day. Dr. Collins remains determined to unravel the full story, to give a voice to those long gone, and perhaps finally set their spirits free. The haunted typewriter stands as a testament to the power of unfinished stories, the lingering spirits of the past, and the human desire for connection and understanding. It serves as a reminder that even in death, our stories continue to resonate, waiting to be discovered and shared. The ghostly typewriter's tale is a haunting reminder that the truths we seek may lie hidden within the most unexpected objects and places. As Dr. Collins delves deeper into the mysteries of the typewriter, we can't help but wonder what other secrets it holds and what further revelations will come to light. The messages from the ghostly typewriter continue to captivate Dr. Collins, enticing her to explore further into the web of secrets woven within the mansion's history. Each revelation was like a puzzle piece, fitting together to form a larger, more intricate picture of the past. As the volume of messages increased, Dr. Collins enlisted the help of skilled historians, archivists, and linguists to decipher the cryptic codes hidden within the typewritten words. Together, they embarked on a journey to unravel the enigma that was haunting the mansion. The team uncovered a hidden diary, buried deep within the mansion's archives. Its pages told a tale of love and betrayal, secrets whispered under the moonlight, and a tragic ending that echoed through the corridors of time. The diary belonged to a young woman named Eleanor, who had once resided in the mansion. It chronicled her forbidden affair with Marcus, a servant in the Montgomery household. Their love was an ember burning brightly, but smothered by societal expectations and the disapproval of those around them. Eleanor's words painted vivid scenes of clandestine meetings, stolen kisses, and moments of blissful escape from their rigid reality. She poured her heart out onto the pages of her diary, finding solace in the written word. However, their love was not destined to flourish. Eleanor's father, a prominent figure in the community, vehemently opposed their relationship. Desperation seeped into Eleanor's diary entries as she wrote of their plans to escape together, seeking a life beyond the suffocating confines of their society. It was on the eve of their planned elopement that tragedy struck. Eleanor's diary entries abruptly ceased, replaced by chilling accounts of betrayal and violence. The truth that lay dormant for so long finally emerged from the shadows. Marcus, driven by a twisted sense of duty, had sided with Eleanor's father, revealing their plans to him in an attempt to save their love. In his blinding rage, Eleanor's father had taken matters into his own hands, resulting in a fateful confrontation that would forever change the course of their lives. The Ghostly Typewriter became a conduit for Eleanor's unfinished story, manifesting her pain, longing, and unresolved questions. Dr. Collins carefully documented and analyzed each message, piecing together the shattered fragments of the past in her quest for closure. Through the messages from the typewriter and the recovered diary, a complex narrative of love and tragedy emerged. The layers of deceit, jealousy, and resentment within the mansion were revealed, laying bare the depths of human emotion and the consequences of societal constraints. Dr. Collins delved deeper into the lives of the other inhabitants of the mansion, seeking connections and shedding light on their untold stories. The Ghostly Typewriter continued to offer glimpses into their lives, each message providing further insight into their hidden desires, regrets, and struggles. Among the intertwining tales, a peculiar recurring symbol caught Dr. Collins's attention. It appeared in the messages from the typewriter and appeared sporadically throughout the mansion in the form of a distinctive crest. Driven by curiosity, Dr. Collins embarked on a quest to uncover the significance of the crest. Carefully combing through books, records, and online databases, she unearthed a long-forgotten legend associated with the mansion. The crest, it seemed, represented an ancient secret society that once held influence and power over the region. Their existence had been all but erased from historical records, yet fragments of their story remained etched within the mansion's walls. The secret society had been known for their involvement in clandestine affairs, manipulations behind closed doors, and the execution of covert missions. It was rumored that their presence within the mansion had sown discord and tragedy among its inhabitants. As Dr. Collins delved deeper into the history of the secret society, she uncovered evidence pointing to their connection with the tragic events that plagued the mansion. The Ghostly Typewriter, it seemed, was a conduit not only for the spirits of the past, but also for the secrets buried within the society's shadowy past. With this revelation, Dr. Collins realized that the haunting of the mansion reached far beyond the confines of the typewriter. Ghostly apparitions began to manifest, their presence a chilling reminder of the tangled web of secrets and the unfinished business that lingered within the walls. Undeterred by the growing intensity of the paranormal activity, Dr. Collins pressed on, determined to bring resolution to the restless spirits and uncover the truth that had long been buried beneath layers of deceit and silence. The Ghostly Typewriter continued to provide glimpses into the lives of those long gone, serving as a catalyst for healing and redemption. Driven by compassion and a thirst for truth, Dr. Collins became a conduit between the earthly realm and the ethereal plane, giving voice to the silenced and solace to the tormented. As she painstakingly deciphered the messages from the typewriter, Dr. Collins realized that each spirit had a story to tell, a story that desperately sought acknowledgement and release. She became their champion, determined to give them the closure they had long been denied. The more Dr. Collins unraveled the mysteries of the mansion and the secrets of the secret society, the stronger her connection to the spirits became. In their presence, she felt a profound sense of purpose and a responsibility to bring their stories to light. The haunting of the typewriter became a catalyst for healing, not only for the spirits trapped within the mansion, but also for the living. Dr. Collins shared her findings with the descendants of those involved, unveiling the truth and fostering a sense of closure that spanned generations. The mansion, once shrouded in darkness and despair, began to transform. The weight of the past gradually lifted as the secrets were brought into the light. The ghostly typewriter, it seemed, had fulfilled its purpose, its haunting gradually subsiding as the spirits found peace. Today, the mansion stands as a testament to resilience and the power of truth. Its halls no longer echo with the pain of the past, but instead radiate with the warmth of healing and understanding. The ghostly typewriter, its place as a cherished artifact, a reminder of the stories it helped uncover. Dr. Collins continues her research, dedicating herself to preserving the memories of the mansion's inhabitants and amplifying their voices. Through lectures, books, and exhibitions, she shares the lessons learned from the ghostly typewriter, advocating for the power of empathy and the importance of embracing our shared humanity. The ghostly typewriter has left an indelible mark on Dr. Collins and all those who have crossed its path. Its legacy serves as a reminder that the trappings of the physical world may fade, but the stories and emotions they carry endure, beckoning to us from beyond the veil. The haunting of the mansion may have found resolution, but the mysteries and secrets of the world persist. The ghostly typewriter's journey was but one thread in the vast tapestry of the human experience, a testament to the enduring power of stories and the unyielding allure of the unknown. As we navigate the realms of the seen and the unseen, may we remember the ghostly typewriter, whispering its tales from the past. It reminds us that within the shadows lie not only darkness, but also the potential for enlightenment and transformation, urging us to embrace the beauty and complexity of the world.